Making money through stocks means smartly investing in companies to benefit from their growth and profits. You do this by learning about the company's basics, spreading your investments across different areas, and staying calm even when the market goes up and down. This can help you grow your money over time. Just remember, being patient and making wise choices are very important for doing well in this adventure. In today's video, we're going to talk about different ways you can make money from stocks. Our goal is to give you really helpful information about stocks that can make your money grow better. Have you ever wondered how people make money by putting their money in stocks? Don't worry, it's not too tricky to figure out. When you buy stocks, it's like becoming a mini owner of the company. And being an owner means you get to share in the company's money they make. It's sort of like being on a winning team and getting a piece of the prize. So it's not just boring numbers and charts. There's a dash of excitement and the feeling of being part of something awesome. Let's keep going to learn even more cool stuff. Understanding stocks. Before we start talking about the clever ways to do this, let's first get the basics. Imagine stocks like getting a special share in a company. It's like being a part of a club where you own a little piece of the company. And guess what? When the company makes money, you get a part of that money too. It's a bit like being in a team and winning together. So it's not just numbers and charts. There's a feeling of being connected to something exciting. We want to help you understand how all of this works and how it can make your money grow. It's like learning the secret recipe to making your savings turn into something even bigger. Fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis might sound like a big term, but it's like peeking into a company's heart. Imagine you're checking up on a friend. You want to know if they're doing well, right? Similarly, fundamental analysis helps us check if a company is healthy financially. We look at their money sheet, like how much they make and spend, to see if they're doing great or not. Think about it as if you're choosing a team for a game. You'd want players who are strong and can score, right? Fundamental analysis helps you pick companies that are making more money over time, have good profits, and aren't struggling with too much debt. It's like choosing the best players for your investment team. Let's find out more about this exciting detective work. Timing the market. Timing the market is a bit like catching a flying balloon. It can be tough. Imagine trying to grab a balloon as it dances around. It's not easy, right? Instead of stressing about catching the balloon at the perfect moment, it's smarter to think about the whole party. In the same way, focus on the long run when you're dealing with stocks. Think of it as planting a tree. You don't check its height every day, you let it grow over time. Similarly, the stock market has its bounces and jumps, but in the big picture, it tends to grow. It's like a roller coaster ride. It goes up and down, but over time, it moves higher. So don't worry about catching every jump. Focus on the exciting journey ahead. Let's learn more about this stock market adventure. Diversification. Imagine you're packing for a picnic, and you've got a basket full of different delicious treats. Now, what if you accidentally drop one treat? It's not a big problem because you still have other yummy things to enjoy, right? Diversification is a bit like that picnic basket strategy. Instead of putting all your money into just one thing, you spread it out, like having different snacks. This is like having a backup plan. Sometimes, certain types of companies might not do well for a while. But when you have your money spread across different types of companies, even if one doesn't do so great, the others can still help your overall money stay safe. It's like having a team of friends. Even if one is busy, the others can still help you have fun. Dollar cost averaging. Let's think of dollar cost averaging as a clever way to buy your favorite candy. Sometimes the candy's price goes up, and sometimes it goes down, right? But you really want that candy. So instead of waiting for the price to be just right, you decide to buy a little bit of candy every week. Some days you might get more candy and other days less. But over time, you get a bunch of candy without worrying too much about the price. With money and stocks, it's similar. You invest the same amount regularly, no matter if the stock prices are jumping or sliding. This way, you don't need to stress about getting in at the perfect moment. And when the prices are low, you buy more shares. And when they're high, you buy fewer. This can help you stay calm even when the market gets all excited. And it might also help you pay a lower average price for your stocks. Research and due diligence. Imagine you're about to choose a partner for a school project. You'd want someone who's really good at their part, right? Well, that's similar to what we do when we talk about thorough research. Just like you'd want to know your partner's strengths and skills. With stocks, you want to know about the company you're investing in. It's like being a detective. You check if the company has something special that makes it better than others. You also look at the people leading the company, kind of like how you'd want a good captain for your team. Importance of patience. Think about investing in stocks like planting a special seed in your garden. You take care of it and give it water, but you know it won't turn into a huge plant overnight, right? It's similar when you put your money in stocks. You need patience, like a helpful friend who reminds you that good things need time. Just like you watch your seed grow into a strong plant, you let your investments grow too. Stocks don't usually make you rich quickly. They're more like slow and steady builders. When the market goes up and down a lot, your patience is like a safety net that keeps you steady. Seek professional advice. Imagine you're taking a trip and you're not sure which way to go. What would you do? You'd probably ask someone who knows, right? Well, it's kind of the same when it comes to investing your money. If you're not sure which things to invest in, you can talk to a special expert called a financial advisor. Think of a financial advisor like a helper on your trip. They're like experienced friends who can help you choose the best things to do with your money. They'll talk with you about what you want to do with your money and how much risk you're comfortable with. Then, they'll make a plan that fits what you want. Emotional discipline. Emotions have a way of clouding our ability to think clearly, making it challenging to make wise decisions. Especially when the market becomes uncertain and chaotic, it becomes crucial to develop emotional discipline. By staying in control of your feelings, you can prevent yourself from making impulsive choices that might not be in your best interest. Keep in mind the investment plan you carefully crafted. It's like your roadmap in this journey. Understand that market ups and downs are completely normal, just like the changing weather. Instead of getting carried away by short-term changes, stick to your plan and stay patient. This way, you can navigate through market fluctuations with confidence, knowing that they're an inherent part of the investment landscape. Review and rebalance. It's important to regularly check on your portfolio and make sure it's still in line with your goals, just like you adjust your plans when things change. Keep an eye on your investments. If your goals or the market change, make adjustments to your investments so you stay on the right path. It's a bit like steering a ship. You need to change the direction a bit if the winds shift. So keep an eye on your investments and make changes when needed to keep things on course. And there you have it. Building wealth through stocks requires a combination of research, patience, and strategic planning. Remember, it's a journey, and with the right knowledge and mindset, you can work towards achieving your financial aspirations. Thank you for joining us today. Stay informed, stay patient, and may your journey to building wealth through stocks be prosperous. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial insights. Until next time.